we are going to center an isometric drawing. After that, we're going to do an oblique. To start with, I'm going to just come up here and give the dimensions of our block. Okay. Pretty crude drawing, but let's say it's 3 inches wide, 2 inches deep, and 2 inches tall. So the important part is first is to find the center of your sheet of paper. Okay. Mine, we're just going to pick the middle of the screen here, or at least as close as I can. Now, the starting point is going to be this corner of your block. Okay? So we're going to go the opposite down to the right, half the width of it. So it says 3 inches. These are 1/4 inch blocks, let's say. So I need to go 1.5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1 inch. There's 1/2. And all this stuff you want to be very, very light, as in construction lines or something you can erase. Now we need to go half the depth this way, the opposite of that corner. So it's 2 inches, so let's go 1 inch. That's 1 inch. All right, and the height is 2, so we need to go half that down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is going to be the starting corner of our block, and we can draw our block from that point there. And that is isometric centering. From the center of the page, half the width down to the right, half the width down to the left, and half the height straight down. We can get these dimensions off of our multi-view drawing. For an oblique that we're going to center, here's a sample oblique. There's our corner that we start with on our drawing. This angle can be anywhere from 30 degrees or basically 0 to 90 degrees. We're going to pick 30 since that's the nice graph paper we have here. Say this is the center of our page. We are going to go to the right half the width. So you might have to use a ruler to measure this, but I'm just going to go for blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to go blockwise. This may look a little odd, but it works quite well. Now we're going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go this way, half of 3 or 1.5 inches. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. So that's 1.5 inches. Okay, so we're going to start the block right there. So we'll draw our front view and then give it depth. So we'll say 1/2 the width, 1/2 the height, and 1/2 the depth. Now, of course, all of these can be done in a different order. It doesn't really matter.